Ladies and gentlemen, we are still in the converting of the cotton balls into the strands that we need. So we spoke about the spinning because spinning is the initial stage that is required in order to convert the ball into a strand. But as you noticed, the strand that you saw in the previous picture is too thick. It has so many fluffies and it does look like it is still very, very weak. So because of that, it will still need to be processed further using this machine called the loom. So the strands, as you can see, they are loaded onto the loom. As you can see, this is the input process, and then the loom is going to straighten them up. It is also going to turn them around and spin them in order to make them into these straight and shining threads that are used in the fabric making process. So the loom can be manufactured at home using basic materials like timber, like wood, but all you have to make sure of is that it must have an input portal where you are going to load the strands now, and it also has to have an output portal where the strands are going to be tied. So you have to make them straight, and then you can stretch them to the limit, just to make sure that they become as thin as possible, and they can be as strong as possible. We're just going to explain this further in the next chapter. But when you hear the word loom or looming machine or looming process, this is what they are talking about. It's just the same process of making the strands are ready, if I can put it that way, for the weaving process that is going to convert the strands into final fabric. So let's talk a little bit more about the weaving process in the next chapter.